Hi everyone, my name is Mark Walmsley and I offer a brand discovery workshop over two 90-minute sessions to capture what makes a person or a business or a brand special. And I'm delighted, we've just finished. Lise Burkhout has joined me. Lise is an artist, or she was an artist. She's now a visual tribute artist as a result of the workshop. And she's also going to be Elizabeth Birchwood, which is the English translation of her Dutch name, which is going to be fantastic. So Liz, I think we got quite a bit done over the last 90 minutes.
Well, almost everything done, I think.
Yeah,
we did.
The challenge really was that you do some wonderful things as an artist, but I think from memory you weren't finding it comfortable to communicate that in a way that pulled all of those different skills together. Was that really the challenge?
Yeah, and also the essence, what I was actually creating, where that came from or why, that was actually tribute, to celebrate, memorize, or I don't know the English word.
Yeah, but it's one of the books I love is the 22 Immutable Laws of Marketing, and one of the rules is if you can't be first in your category, create a new category. And one of the things I think you and I have done brilliantly over the last two sessions is we've created a new category of tribute art. So and that's the word you can write on your palm and now talk about that with confidence about it, because there is a logic and a chronology to the different types of art that you do. So thank you so much for doing this. I hope you found it a valuable experience, and I'm looking forward to seeing how you communicate the new Elizabeth Smallwood as Elizabeth Birchwood.
It
Thanks,
really
Liz.
feels like a great starting point.
That's great.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.